To create a product image ad of a polo shirt like this, here's what you need to do. Inside ChatGPT, let's type in our pre-made prompt. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read it. Now I'm asking ChatGPT to make a product image ad for a polo shirt. I'm instructing ChatGPT to create one based on the prompt that I have given. It should include key elements and it should attract new customers into buying, in our case, the polo shirt. Now you can make a few adjustments to the prompt if you want to copy this one. So now let's see what ChatGPT creates for us. And look how cool is that. Notice how the polo shirt is really the focal point of this ad. Now let me just click on this so you can see better. Look how good ChatGPT chose the model for the polo shirt is. Now, if you want to be more inclusive, you can ask ChatGPT to do this in different body size and body types so that you can reach a larger audience for your product. Just type in your prompt and let the magic begin. Alright, so now you know how to create a product image ad of a polo shirt like this. Watch this playlist to get more image prompt ideas.